If you want to reach the highest revenue brackets in short-term rentals, you have to kill the idea of the casual spare room. The hosts generating consistent cash flow are running professional businesses. This chart shows the core revenue engine, nightly rates multiplied by occupancy, plus additional fees. While a spare room might net a conservative $300, professional operators managing high-demand listings can reach $12,000 in monthly revenue. 7 specific advantages are driving the current explosion in short-term rental operators. 1. Asset leverage, where you monetize a space you already own or lease. 2. Scalability, through co-hosting for other property owners. 3. Operational automation, where specialized tech handles guest communication and pricing. 4. Flexibility, with the active phase requiring only 5 to 20 hours a week. 5. Skill building, across real estate and hospitality. 6. Immense travel demand. And 7. High earning potential compared to long-term leases. But that revenue comes with a common myth. Many beginners believe short-term rentals are passive cash. They think you just list a room, hand over a key, and check your bank account. The day-to-day reality involves constant guest messaging, repairing physical wear and tear, navigating complex local regulations, and managing rigorous cleaning turnovers. It requires strict, reliable operational systems. Expecting passive income guarantees failure. Treating the property like a highly systematized small hotel is what creates the consistency needed for high-end revenue. So, how do top operators actually build these systems without burning out? They apply a specific success logic. The listing is a consumer product. They stage it for high-end photography, adjust prices based on local demand, and outcompete amateurs who rely on blurry photos and slow communication. This chart breaks down the initial startup capital. Before furniture, budget for regulatory compliance, safety tech, and deep cleaning services. Then, a significant portion goes into hotel-quality soft goods. Fragile decor won't survive turnover, so you need reinforced linens and high-grade mattresses. The sweat equity is heavily front-loaded. Setting up the property, furnishing it, and clearing compliance checks demands 10 to 25 hours weekly at launch. Once the listing is live, that commitment drops. With automated messaging and a reliable cleaning team, active management usually takes between 2 and 8 hours a week. In this model, the heavy labor is temporary. Long-term profitability relies on surviving that launch phase and trusting the automated systems you built to handle the guests. Getting a property live and legal requires a strict 4-step operational roadmap. Step 1, validate legality. Do not spend a dime until you check city ordinances, HOA restrictions, zoning permits, and local lodging tax rules. Step 2, set up the property. Install non-negotiable safety items like smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, upgrade the Wi-Fi, and build a lockable owner's closet. Step 3, create the listing. High-converting profiles rely on professional photography, an amenity-driven description, and accurate house rules so guests know exactly what to expect. This flowchart visualizes Step 4, operate and scale. You start by writing detailed cleaning checklists and automating your messages. Eventually, you shift from doing the manual labor yourself to acting as a manager who oversees self-sustaining branches. Skip the validation phase and you run the risk of building a beautiful property that the city legally forces you to shut down. With the baseline business running legally, you can start applying advanced tactics to maximize your revenue. Overinvest in sleep quality with blackout curtains and a premium mattress. Standardize all your inventory. Use the exact same towels and light bulbs so restocking is instant. And enforce minimum stays during busy seasons to eliminate single-night turnover gaps. You also need a problem playbook. Pre-write solutions for common issues like Wi-Fi resets or a clogged drain. When a guest messages you at 10 p.m., you can provide an instant professional fix. This diagram shows the tech stack that enables that rapid response. Your property sits at the center, connected to smart locks for remote entry, noise monitors for responsible neighbor management, dynamic pricing algorithms, and a central calendar manager. To stay ahead of shifting market trends, lean on local tourism boards, short-term rental host forums, and dedicated hospitality courses. Head over to HustleGrower.com to track your progress and access the specific tools, templates, and resources needed to launch your rental. The short-term rental market rewards those who provide high-quality stays. Share this video with a friend who has a spare room. Subscribe to the channel and start building your property management operation.